Bryce here with Top Priority Auto Detailing. We are back with another detail this morning. We're doing a top priority package on this Scion TC. I take a little bit of a liking to the Scion TC brand because I've got a TC of my own, as you guys know. So this one's going to be especially fun. After seeing our video and seeing our pictures of some of our recent details, our good buddy Jonathan Edwards wanted us to take care of his TC for him. This TC has got over 100,000 miles on it, and as you can tell by all the dirt and everything else that I don't even want to think about, it's just going to be a really good detail today. So you guys relax, enjoy the video.